Welcome back, guys. This is Huncho Jelly Bean and another episode of Cooking with Huncho Jelly. On today's menu, we have root beer steaks. These are venison steaks. Never done this before, so this will be kind of an interesting new experiment. And going with those root beer steaks, we are cooking some red potatoes on the grill. So we are dicing up some potatoes. We're going to fill those on the grill with the root beer steaks. I'll get to you once I finish cutting these up. You want to cut up, depending on who you're feeding, I would say anywhere between 4 to 6 potatoes. If you're feeding about 3 people. If you have leftovers, you have leftovers. That's how I look at it. Venison steaks that have been marinating for about 8-9 hours from the mug root beer. Got our olive oil. Ready pan and ready to go for the potatoes. They are our red potatoes, and we're going to put some salt and pepper on those. We're going to get that started up. Okay, we are going to get started by getting these potatoes in the pan on the grill. We're going to mix them around a little bit so we get the oil underneath most of these so they're not sticking as much. We are going to put some salt on. I am actually putting these in a bowl, the salt in the bowl, since I have to put some on the steaks still. Should be enough for now. So we're going to put these salts on the potatoes. Should be good. Next we're going to add some pepper. You gotta be careful though, because this container kind of sucks. Some pepper on these bad boys. That's all you really need is salt and pepper on potatoes and make them great. We gotta get this grill started so it's going hot. And we're doing the potatoes first. It won't take long to cook the steaks once the grill is nice and hot. And make sure when you use this, you put a pan that is small enough to fit inside your grill. I don't have a very big one, so I'm only going to be able to do potatoes first. Then I'm going to get to the steaks. A little quick update on the potatoes. They are almost done. We're going to give them a little bit longer. We want to make sure all the sides and all of them are all at least a little bit brown and crispy, so they're awesome to eat. Throughout these cooking episodes for you guys, I'm going pretty much to show you guys that a lot of these meals aren't that hard to cook and anyone can do this. So I hope you like these and follow along. If you have any suggestions on how to make things and other recipes, don't forget to comment that below. And remember to like and subscribe and share this video. Okay, we now took the potatoes off the grill because they are done and ready and crispy and delicious. We're going to cover these with tin foil and we're going to go right to the steaks next. We are putting the steaks on the grill. Getting hungry, it smells good. We will put salt on these too. These are delicious. Oh, it smells good already. Okay, we are going to let those cook. Alright, it is time to flip these bad boys. So we're going to give them a flip. I'll let you know when they're done. And they are done. This is really good.